Happy noon to everyone present here. Hey, what?
Happy
No
noon.
voice, huh? You had lunch, right? You need to be more energized. Happy noon!
Happy noon.
No, this is SILC. All branches energy should come. Happy noon!
Happy noon.
Yes, that's the spirit. Have you all heard about Mario? When we were small, we used to play with a joystick like this. Yes? Hey, come on, reply. Who didn't hear anything about PUBG? Raise your hands. No one. It can't be none. Okay, today I have chosen this topic, impact of video games in today's generation. These will be the point of point of communication with you all for today. Let's have a brief introduction. Video games and computers have become baby sisters for kids. Some famous person has mentioned. Video games has immensely been developed in current day scenario, and adolescents term it and acknowledge it as a fantasy game or a fantasy time. They are enjoying it. The video games have been massively developed with the consoles or whatnot. Are you all also interested in video games, right? Yes, we are, and we have to be in this current scenario. Let us see the statistics. These are the statistics given by KPMG report and InMobi. First is lockdown boost. Boost is the secret of my energy, and in lockdown, video games also boosted our interest in video games. And here 45% of India's users have been using these video games in this particular pandemic era. And our ma'am rightly mentioned, she was also very much passionate with the video games. Yes or no, ma'am? Yes. And the highest game download in 2021 is 7.3 billion. That is 17% of the global mobile downloads. And India is standing in the second position after China. We Indians are great, right? Yes, we are great. Next, promising future. We have seen politicians. मैं ईश्वर से शपथ लेता हूँ. Video games are also promising for the future. They would like to generate an estimation of 136 billion in 2021 with a CAGR, compound annual growth rate of 21%. Currently, it has reached 60 billion, and for financial year 21, users will be 420 million, and this has accounted for 97% of total gamers in India. New trends by popular games. A new trend in Instagram was, all should repeat with me, जाने मेरी जाने मन बचपन का प्यार मेरा. Yes, in the same way, this Ludo King, college fest में Ludo King, home में भी Ludo King, ICI Institute में भी contest भी Ludo King है. ठीक है ना? Yes, we have played Ludo King like anything. Majority were 55 plus years old were very much passionate of this Ludo King, and this has been introduced in the contest too. And this PUBG, no need to tell anything on PUBG. It has reached this level high, yeah. It has reached this level high. Though PUBG got banned, Indian Battlegrounds came up. That's the fashion of PUBG. And smartphone revolution. India had 500 million smartphone users in the year financial year 2019. But it is expected to balloon up to 842 million by 2024. Gradually, no need to think about it. It will automatically happen. Each one has 2 now. Next, each one will have 4. That's it. Nothing else. What are the pros and cons? Let's see. A quick go. Hand and eye coordination. When I just remember this particular point, I just remember my dance days. We have a shloka. Yato hasta tato drishtihi. When your hand goes in the same way, you should have eye contact. In the same way, when you play, when you see that, your hand also must work, or else you'll lose, right? And one of the famous scientists also proclaimed that if you have this coordination, it will help you in achieving the scientific, technological, and engineering advancements. You can also gain, or you can also research very easily when you have a coordination between hand and eye. This is one point need to be noted. And quick thinking and accuracy. Obviously, when we play games, we always have a smart decisions. In PUBG, if you want to kill someone, you'll make a smart decision, right? Yes, in the same way, it will help us to develop quick thinking and accuracy and problem solving abilities. Memory games, this Lifka game, you might all have seen. If you want to proceed for next lift, you need to solve this. There you learn the problem solving things. And theory of incremental intelligence, increase in IQ. This I need to mention. To improve my grammatical skills, I literally learned from this particular point. The game of IQ, where you have grammatical games and logo games, it will increase your IQ. This is one of the positive effects of gaming. Cons or negative effects. Aggression, addiction, adverse. 3 A's. I'll connect it in a one go. Aggression, you're playing PUBG with the multiple users. Hey, come on, shoot him. Hey, shoot him. And on the other side, yes, Macha, you also shoot him. Yes, yes. This aggression creates. When someone calls from the home, Beta, come for dinner. Then this person will tell, Mom, I won't come, I'm playing here. This kind of aggression develops. Each and every matter, you'll have an aggression. Then, addiction to gaming. It's a pathological gaming, which is also termed as, where you'll feel into depression, insomnia. All those effects happen. And finally, adverse effects on health. You'll feel obese. You will become obese. Physical activities gets reduced. And you will completely lose your health out. For academic performance, this is the issue. You definitely confuse what you want to write in the exams. This is how your poor performance education will be. There was a survey where 43% of the highly users of the video games have attained a very low grades, and 13% for light users attained a better grade than them. This survey was conducted. So next, symptoms and remedies. What are the symptoms to get addicted? You can, if you are addicted to video games, with these points you can come to know that you are addicted. Excessively preoccupied. You will be occupied like anything. If someone calls for to do some work, you say, I can't, I need to play over here. Then lacks of control. See, if you have self-control, you can achieve anything. These video games help you to lose your lack of control. Mom, I'll come 30 minutes. I'll play this one video game and go there. When your school bell rings at 8:30 and you're in home at 8 o'clock, you are playing video game. Mom, I'll finish this video game and then go to school. At 8:30 you'll be still in home. The lack of control you will be having. Video games make us lose our control in ourselves. Neglect the other things in life. You will neglect completely which and all are required for your life, and you will betray the important ones and you will occupy the negative ones. And become the spendthrift. We articles, if we are into gaming industry, if you are so tempted, then we lose all our time for to purchase the new things which is available on the gaming website, and we would like to increase our points in the games. Then gets defensive. You will defend everything, what not, to be in a gaming mode. Next, remedies to get rid of addiction. Talk to your team. Speak to them what all you can do. Why you need to stop video gaming. Speak with your team. Is it so important for you? Then go ahead. Make it, then it comes to limit the time. Be specific to the timings. If 30 minutes, spend 30 minutes itself. Not more than that. If you spend more than that, you yourself will damage your life. That's the thing. And then consult a therapist and cognitive behavioral theory. Here where the therapist will acknowledge you what are the advantages or the disadvantages, slowly, gradually reduce your gaming intention in the mind and you'll become a normal human being. Gaming is not good or bad, it's the way you use it. There's a quote, life is a video game. No matter how good you get, you are always zapped in the end, right? The way, what we love, we need to pursue. Self-regulation and regulation from our parents is very much required. This is what we need to follow. If we stick to ourselves with what we want, we'll definitely succeed. Opportunities are provided for you at last. What you love, you need to pursue. I would like to tell, opportunities are like ice creams. Taste it before it melts. Signing off, Shrivat Sarjanan. Thank you.
They were so sure. I'm just thinking on which game I should ask. Because they get many. So even a couple of them were little new to me, so I'm just thinking.
Okay.
By the time you get.
Yes. So first of all, I mean, seriously, I want to appreciate it's too good. Your badge matches whatever you spoke. A smiley badge, you made everyone smile.
Thank you.
It's really good. Okay. So coming to this, I'm not a gamer, but I love watching animes. I feel that's an addiction too. How many of you watch animes here? So I'll give you a bizarre instance, okay?
Okay.
So it was a Sunday when a client is calling me. It's a tax audit season. A client is calling me. So that's when a famous tune called Dragon Ball's, so Dragon Ball Super. Okay, so that series is going on every Sunday in India release. So I was watching it. I was glued onto the system. I was watching it. So that's when a client was calling me several times. Okay, so I didn't pick the phone. With a great irritation, my dad picked the phone. He told auditor cartoon okay, so that's something that happened to me. Okay, so similarly, when I was reading a book, I was able to understand that there's something called as basal ganglia, which is responsible for your sequential behavior in every day. So like we brush, then we take some milk and all that. Okay, so it goes in a sequence. So that is responsible. Similarly, when you start gaming, that will become part of your routine. It's becoming your habit. Okay, so you're talking about losing stipends for points. Okay, I'm asking about a trend where you start losing your salary by playing games. Okay, so will that have an impact? So after you get into work, when you are addicted to games, so will you tend to lose your salary for points?
Definitely, sir. If I'm a gamer, if I'm very much interested, I'm telling frankly, I'm not a gamer. These instances which I've picked up because I've seen lively with what my friends do, what my colleagues do in my office. And basically to tell few of my colleagues, when it is a stipend, why not salary sir? It will definitely they will do right if they're interested in gaming. They have to do because it is their passion. As one of our contestants came over here and when you asked the question on the passion, so they said, I'll go for music, right? Same here. It's my passion. I'll go and spend it. So only the remedies are over here. We need to take it. That's what is my answer.
So what remedy do you suggest for this?
Remedy is that I think better if he's still addicted to gaming, he need to consult. He need to go for the cognitive therapy, where he will be gradually put up the positive points why you should leave this video gaming, why it is, what it will have a future impact on you when you go like this. Slowly and gradually he will reduce it. That's what is my remedy. Which
My question is couple of slides. Just go.
Yeah.
Couple of slides. Yeah, next one. Yeah. And one of the students, came here for presentation, and his or her slide they had talked of the age groups also, like it's not
Yes.
only the children or the teens, but even the elder people are also in. So, what is the possibility, probability of this first point to be rephrased in how many years or in how many months or years? Talk to your teen, talk to your parents, talk to your granny, talk to your so
No. This phrase I just use for to have an attraction. I'm telling this applies to everything. Talk to your teen is a phrase which I thought that would be a attractive one for everyone. This doesn't mean only teen is specified over here. It applies to everyone.
Just imagine like you sitting with your granny and saying, Granny, it happens, okay, but there is still, some other way we can think of it. There are some other things also to do. Like, you can.
Some of our yes, ma'am, grannies are very much dependent or they are loud ones for their grandparents. If we somehow convince them, they would definitely accept our words, ma'am. There is no other go they can betray us. Yes or no? Hey, what your audience? No reply. Support no.
We support it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you so much.